first time, hi, my name is Sujasana and I would be really happy if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. Also, do not forget to press the bell icon so that you are notified whenever there is a new video up on my channel. So welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another birthday series video. So today's video is gonna be very interesting. When I say very interesting, I mean it. So today's video is basically gonna be the weird finds on Amazon. So मैंने कुछ products Amazon से ढूंढ निकाले हैं जो कि बहुत weird है and I will be testing them out right in front of you people. So even I don't know कि वो कैसे perform करेंगे, whether it will be a thumbs up or it will be a thumbs down. I don't know that. So I will be testing out those products in front of you. And if hopefully they work, it's gonna be a great thing to use. So without any further ado, let's get started into the video. First product that I got from Amazon is a set of 3 beauty blenders which look like somewhat like this. So as initially I ordered these, I thought that maybe it will not be that soft or maybe ये बहुत ज़्यादा product absorb कर लेंगे. But then as you can see that I used this beauty blender today and I am shook. Oh my god, ये बहुत अच्छे काम कर रहे हैं and these are so soft. मतलब मैंने जिस दिन इसको रिसीव किया मैंने उसी दिन इनको वॉश कर लिया था so that when I use it I can know कि हाँ ये कैसे परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं and then only I can give you all my reviews. So I washed them the day before yesterday and I used this sponge today and oh my god, ये product is like so amazing. I did not expect it to be so good, to be very honest. मैंने एकदम भी expect नहीं किया था कि ये इतने अच्छे आएंगे, लेकिन I am very surprised on receiving these products. So I will show you all a closer look of all the 3 beauty blenders. So as you can see, this is a totally round beauty blender and yeah, it's round from all sides. The next beauty blender which I have is this, which lands in from this end and it is amazing. I just used this product and I am shook with the results. The third beauty blender is this cute little sponge with a very different shape and this is quite amazing even. सच बोलूँ तो मुझे ये तीनों के मतलब जो पर्टिकुलर काम होते हैं like some are used for setting the powder, some is used to blend it, तो मुझे उतना ज़्यादा तो पता नहीं है. Obviously I am not a professional makeup artist, so I don't know कि कौन से क्या चीज़ में काम आते हैं, but there is a rule in makeup that there is no rule in makeup. So yeah, you are always free to go your way while you are doing your makeup because you know your skin and no one knows it better than you do. So yeah, and the prices of every product will be mentioned somewhere on the screen because I don't remember it obviously. So it will be mentioned on the screen for the better convenience. So yeah, this was the first product. And ये sponges भी जो मुझे receive हुए हैं ये Huda Beauty के छोटे छोटे पैकेट्स में receive हुए हैं like this as you can see. So yeah, these were delivered in a proper way. So I am totally gonna give it a big thumbs up. So the next product that I will be going to show you guys is a very cute little. So this is Korea type mini sealing and that's it. So this is probably a sealing machine. This looks quite cute like this and as much as I think it has, okay, this has a battery storage from this, so I will quickly insert the battery. So I don't know इसमें switch on switch off के तो कोई switch मुझे नहीं दिख रहे हैं, but then कोई भी packet seal करके let's try this out. So I have a jewelry packet over here. So ये totally open है right now. So let's try this out. Oh my god, this is actually working. मतलब ये पूरा तो नहीं हुआ लेकिन yeah, this is working. Yeah, oh my god, this is actually working. कि मैं इसको वापस से दोबारा ट्राई करूँगी एक बार. slowly. And वापस मैं इधर से मैं कोशिश करती हूँ. ओके सो ये सील तो हो रहा है थोड़ा बहुत, एज यू कैन सी इन द पैकेट कि ये थोड़ा बहुत स्टिकी, तो स्टिकी नहीं बट देन सील हो रहा है. बट देन आई डोंट नो एग्जैक्टली लाइक ये प्रॉपर तरीके से नहीं हो रहा है. मतलब इफ़ यू गो फॉर परफेक्ट सीलिंग दैट इज़ नॉट हैपनिंग, बट देन या थोड़ा बहुत ये हो रहा है. सो या सो आई डोंट नो व्हाट आई विल गिव इट टू दिस. सो दिस इज़ अ ओके प्रोडक्ट. मे बी मुझे ये चलाना नहीं आया इसीलिए ये ऐसा फील. सो इफ़ यू गाइज नो हाउ दिस वर्क्स प्लीज लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन बिलो सो दैट आई कैन अगेन यूज इट एंड ट्राई इट अगेन. So yeah, this was the second product. So I will give it a okay kind of. So the next product that I will be sharing with you guys is a very cute little product. So this is somewhat like this. So as I read it in the Amazon description, this is the portable flexible USB LED light lamp. Okay, so I don't know whether it works actually or not because I have not used it or tested it right from the time it is delivered to me. So it's quite cute as you can see, and it's bendable so you can adjust it according to your preference. So I will quickly try this on my laptop. So I have my laptop out here and I will quickly connect this and test it how this works. OMG, it's actually working. Oh my god. So this can actually be a very good product. So this can actually be a very good product. Like when you are using your laptop at night and you don't have lights on or you don't want to put your lights on, you can easily connect this with your laptop and you get ample amount of light required. So yeah. And this was quite cheap. And again I'm saying the prices of all the products will be mentioned on the screen somewhere. But as much as I remember, this was quite a cheap product. So I am surprised with the performance. Oh my god. So the next product that I will be talking about is a set of basically eyelashes, eyelash curler and eyelash fixing glue. So yeah, I saw it in a very cheap price. And I was like literally, you guys would never have seen me wearing eyelashes because मुझे आता ही नहीं है firstly तो, और मुझे मतलब I'm very scared to like if it gets stuck and how will I remove it, जो भी है मतलब I have never tried it even. So I thought कि ये बहुत ही cheap में मिल रहा था, तो I was like usually eyelashes don't come this cheap in price. So I was getting a eyelash curler which is like this. I don't know how to use this also either. I got a pack of 5 eyelashes which states that it is MAC eyelashes, but obviously we know that obviously MAC eyelashes are not this cheap, and a eyelash fixing glue. So I was like shocked. Oh my god. We'll quickly show you the lashes. So first one looks somewhat like this. The second one looks somewhat like this. The third one looks like this. The fourth one looks like this. And the fifth one looks like this. And I even don't know कि मतलब ये कैसे यूज करते हैं, ऐसे या ऐसे. I think it's used somewhat like this, but then पता नहीं. I don't know, or neither I have any idea, and I think that maybe I should try out the lashes and show you guys how actually it is. So I will quickly go off camera and try to get this lashes fixed. I know it's gonna take a long time, but then you all will obviously see it in a time lapse, so obviously it will not be a long time for you people. So I'll quickly come back in a. As you can see that I have put on my lashes and मैंने इसे अच्छे तरह से fix नहीं किए हैं obviously. But then I feel like this is worth the money you are paying to get 5 lashes, a glue and a eyelash curler, obviously for obvious reasons. And ये काम चलाओ types obviously बहुत अच्छे हैं. And yeah, so we will quickly move on to the next product. So the next product I will be talking about is again a very cute product. So this looks somewhat like this. So this is basically hair scalp massager shampoo brush. So yeah, this is a silicone kind of shampoo brush. So this comes in a packaging like this, and yeah, this looks somewhat like this. And ये जो है ये एकदम silicone के soft bristles है. I did not try it yet, but then I feel like will actually give a very good massage to your head. And ये बहुत easily मतलब होल्डिंग के एक हैंडल भी है यहाँ पे, so ये बहुत easy to use even होगा. And the color is so pretty and this bristles are also so soft and very good. So yeah, you can definitely check this product out. So the last but never the least product is again my favorite among all is this. So this is smart travel bottle set. So this is basically what it comes in a. So this is basically one bottle, but then you can, like while traveling, we have to usually carry our shampoo अलग bottle में, conditioner अलग bottle में, moisturizer अलग bottle में. So what you can do is like this is a single bottle that you need to carry, and ये ऊपर से open होता है and इसके अंदर में 4 dispensers है. So this comes in a small चिट्टू से bottles like this, and what you can do is you can fill 4 different things in 4 different bottles. For suppose I am giving an example, shampoo एक में भर लिया, conditioner एक में भर लिया, shower gel एक में भर लिया और body lotion एक में भर लिया. So it's quite convenient to carry one thing and you will have 4. And so this sticker comes along with this bottle. So whatever the particular thing you have filled in this one, you can stick it out here, and as you keep rolling you get to see the name out here. So if you want this particular product from here, you just do it. What you need to do is there is a push up thing out here, you just push it and the product comes out, and again you move it to the other thing, and then again you push it, and again other, and again you push it. So this is quite a very travel friendly product. So people who are traveling quite frequently can obviously go for this product. This is a must have product among today's life, because obviously we all have that small luggage to carry. मतलब बैग भी ज़्यादा भारी नहीं होना चाहिए and सब कुछ आना भी चाहिए. So you can definitely check this product out. So that's it for today. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, don't forget to like, comment and share. Also do not forget to press the bell icon so that you are notified whenever there is a new video up on my channel. To repeat the rules of the giveaway, all you need to do is subscribe to my channel below, like the video and comment down whatever your favorite part is in the video. And there will be 2 lucky winners, the names of which will be announced on 1st of October, which is the next video date after the birthday series is over. So I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care, stay safe, tata, bye bye, love you.